Hi everyone, this is Lily and I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Korean beauty haul from Costco. So let's get started. The first item that I picked up that is currently on sale right now for the month of September is the Lapcos sheet mask set. It has an 8-pack of these facial masks and 2 bonus exfoliators. So this is originally priced at $16.99 at Costco, and it's on sale for $5 off. So this one is available not only online but also in the warehouse. So I went ahead and picked it up at my local Costco warehouse. The next product that I ordered online from Costco because this one's not available in the warehouse. This is the DGM Reiki Gold Premium Hair Care Set. So it comes with 3 bottles inside. One is the conditioner, which they call the Premium Treatment. And you can see this is a really big bottle. It's really big. I'll show you a comparison later next to a different regular bottle that I have. This one is the shampoo. So you actually get 2 of these. They're huge. I already gave one to my mom, and then I also gave her part of the conditioner as well. So to show you a size comparison of these next to regular Asian shampoo and conditioners that I had at home. So I got this other one from Japan a few months ago. Look how big this Korean Costco bottle is compared to that. So the Japanese one was only 450 milliliters, and the Korean Costco one is 780 milliliters. So it's a really good deal. It originally goes for $50 on the website, and then it's currently on sale for $10 off. So it's pretty much as what I paid in Asia, plus you get more. So I think it's really worth it, and I can't wait to try it out. So the last piece that I got was this huge box here, which is the Case Full of Seoul, Best of Korean Skincare. So it's this whole kit. It comes in this really pretty packaging. It's pretty much like a suitcase. So if we open it up, and this is literally the first time that I'm going to open it right now. So if we open it up, we can see that it has these really useful instructions on how to apply all of the pieces that come in the case. So they have a daytime routine, a nighttime routine, a special routine for the weekend, and then a makeup routine as well. So it tells you step by step which items you should be using for what. And then if we go down here, you can see it came with this little booklet that basically explains what each product is. So that's useful. And then it also has a label on each one to say what it is. So it's really fun. I haven't opened these yet, but I'm going to do it now so that we can see what's going on in here. So let's start with number 1. This is the cleanser. So I'm going to open this up. This is so much fun. So this is what the cleanser looks like. It's a rice foaming cleanser. Then we have 2 of these guys, number 2. This is the toner, if I could get it out. I don't know if I can get it out, but let's see. This is difficult with one hand. Well, there it is. Okay, so this is the toner. It's called Makeup Raw Sauce. So there's 2 of those. Number 3 is the essence. So I've heard a lot about this. True Rose Repair Essence. Then we've got number 4 down here. This is the Coreflex Essential Liquid. And these are decent sized bottles, really substantial. And then we've got number 5 over here is the TOV Special Edition Camellia Eye Solution. Look at that packaging. I really need a manicure. My nails are so messy. Then we have number 6, moisturizer. So this is Makeup Raw Moisturizer. Then we've got number 7, sun cream. So I guess this is the sunscreen. It says I woke up like this. SPF 50 base sunscreen. Then we've got number 8 up here. This is, what is this? No Pore Blem Primer. Okay, and there's still more. So this one, number 9, looks like a little bit spilled while it was shipping, so that's unfortunate, but at least it didn't crack. This is the vitamin oil serum or face oil. I'll have to clean that up later. And then we've got number 10, the last one, is a sheet mask. I woke up like this kit. So that's really awesome that there's so many interesting things to try. And oh, so the pricing on this one is a really good deal as well. The original price of this is $150, and also it has over $300 worth of material in there, supposedly. But at Costco, it's on sale for $30 off right now. And I tried to look for this and the shampoo kit in the warehouse, but they were only available on the website. So, was excited to get all this stuff and can't wait to try it out. And in my next video, I'll let you guys know how I liked all the products and how they worked. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.